my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday at 4. And then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, I'm about to clean this room, y'all. When I tell you this room is a mess, when you film YouTube videos, y'all know the struggle. Like, it's a complete mess in here. I'm going to do a pan around the room so y'all can see, you know, what I'm talking about. I wanted to share really quick a clean with me type of video / behind the scenes of a YouTuber. So if you want to see the mess, the before and the after, stay tuned and keep watching.